Hello everyone, today we are at 1120 Taft Street, Hollywood area, apartment 11. This is one bedroom, one bathroom unit. You can see you have a small patio in the front, and you can see the unit. It's about 600 square feet. You have a ceiling fan, a full kitchen size here with a very nice white shaker cabinet, countertop and stove. You have plenty storage space right here, one more closet on this side. The bedroom is next to it with a wall AC unit. You can see plenty space for your belongings, and you have the bathroom right here with a walk-in shower. This property is located just a walking distance to the US 1. It's a couple minutes drive to downtown Hollywood, the Young Art Circle, and just also very close to the beach.